In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Pipedrive API Key 2026 full guide. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Pipedrive account in a web browser and that you have access to your personal settings. Your API key is tied to your user, so only you should access and store it securely. Start on any page inside Pipedrive. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon. Depending on your setup, this may show your initials or a small avatar. That opens a quick menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Personal Preferences. This takes you to your profile settings area. If the interface looks a little different, don't worry. Pipedrive occasionally updates the layout. You're in the right place as long as you're on your personal account settings page rather than company-wide settings. Once you're in Personal Preferences, look for the section labeled API. It may appear in the left sidebar or along the top as a tab. Click API to open your API settings. Here, Pipedrive displays your personal API token. This token uniquely identifies your user when you connect external tools or scripts to your Pipedrive data. On this page, you'll see a Copy button next to the token. Click Copy to place the key on your clipboard. You can now paste it directly into the integration or application that's asking for it. Some browsers show a small confirmation toast after copying. If you see that, you're good to go. A few important tips to keep your account safe. Treat your API key like a password. Do not share it publicly, avoid pasting it into screenshots or recordings, and store it in a secure place, such as a reputable password manager or your organization's secret vault. If you think your key has been exposed, rotate it promptly according to your company's security policy. When connecting third-party tools, double-check you're pasting the key into a trusted, secure field and that the tool supports Pipedrive's authentication method. If you don't see the API section or the Copy button, you may have limited permissions or an admin policy that hides personal tokens. In that case, contact your workspace administrator to request access or an approved alternative. That's it. Click your profile icon, open Personal Preferences, go to the API section, and hit Copy. With your API key safely copied and stored, you're ready to connect Pipedrive to automation tools, reporting dashboards, and custom workflows